In this video, we're looking at something new from Realme, the Narzo 20. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. In this video, I have something new for you guys, the Realme Narzo 20. What is this phone all about? Well, a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, 6000 mAh of battery, and 48 megapixel triple cam setup. It's supposed to be another bang for buck device. Without further ado, let's meet this phone in person. Realme Narzo this time, so it says here Narzo 20, Realme, pretty straightforward. The same branding on the sides. On the back it says this thing has 6000 mAh mega battery, powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 gaming processor, a 48 megapixel AI triple cam setup, and 18-watt quick charge. At the bottom it says here I have the blue blade version. I wonder what that looks like. And this is the 4GB 64GB variant. Now I have to admit that this Realme box looks a little thicker than its usual Realme boxes, so I guess we'll just have to open it up to see what's up. Let's go. Okay, no. Welcome to the Realme family. Of course, we have the typical sleeve. Let's embrace this new journey. SIM tool, we have paperwork, the phone, but first let's see what else is in here. That is a USB-C cord and a power brick. Onto the phone. Ooh, interesting. So here it tells us that this has 2 SIM slots and a micro SD port. Interesting texture. Nice. That looks pretty unique. Those aren't really lines, but there's that line effect. There is a fingerprint scanner here. And then this thing says Narzo here, designed by Realme. Ooh, check out the way the light bounces off of this phone. Feels pretty solid. On the right side, we have a volume rocker, an unlock button, and almost no camera bump. At the bottom, speakers, USB-C, audio jack, and on the other side, that is a SIM tray. Let's power this up, and you know what that means. Time for a montage. But wait, before we move on to the rest of this video, what is Narzo all about? Did you wonder that? I mean, we all know it's from Realme, it's a sub-brand, but like, why? What? Where? When? Well, basically, Realme explained that the Narzo branding is one that focuses on the youth, more fresh, more new. This particular sub-brand stresses value performance. The way I see it, it's a new line from Realme that focuses on a specific category, a newer, younger user base that values value for money, but at the same time needs powerful devices for their everyday use. But does the Narzo 20 deliver? I mean, it's supposed to have a more affordable price tag, which we'll talk about later on in the video, but personally, I would love to look at the cameras because that's the one thing I always use on phones. Let's move on to a quick camera tour and some sample shots. Here we go, folks, the Realme Narzo. Now, before we move on to the camera tour, let's check out what shooters this phone has. So on the back, it has a 48 megapixel main shooter, an 8 megapixel wide, and a 2 megapixel macro shooter. Up front, that is an 8 megapixel selfie shooter, which does pretty well for face unlock. And let's move on to the camera tour. Hey, so there is a 1x, a wide. Ooh, let's take that photo. 1x, 2x, 5x, up until 10x. And then up here you have flash settings, HDR settings, you have a chroma boost mode, you have different filters. And then down here you have your beauty mode. You also have portrait mode on the side, and you can adjust the blur. That's nice. and also the different filters down here. You have a 48 megapixel shooter. So as you know, the main shooter at the back of this camera is a 48 megapixel shooter, but it uses pixel binning to make smaller but better photos, except if you want to shoot actual 48 megapixel photos, you can. Then you have time-lapse, ultra macro mode, Google Lens, slow-mo, pro mode, and pano. Let's check out the ultra macro mode. So best quality at 4 centimeters. Let me show you some samples from this mode too. Right, on to the other side. Let's move on to video. You have 1x, wide, 2x, 5x, and you can zoom up until 10x. So this is a video sample of the REALME Narzo 20. This is 1x, 2x, 5x. Ooh, my mirror is 30. I'm sorry. And 10x. There we go. You need a steady hand for these zooms, really. Then there's also wide. Dogs are so noisy right now. Up here you have a fill light option, and then you have different filters as well. Ooh, on video, nice. And you can shoot in 1080p 60 fps. There's also a night mode out here. You can do wide, 1x, 2x, ooh, 5x up until 10x. And then here you have photo sizing, timer, and settings. On to the selfie. Okay, so on video, hey, you have different filters on selfie video, and you can shoot in 1080p. This is the front-facing camera of the Narzo 20, and well, imagine shooting TikToks with this. On photo mode, no zooming in or out. And then there is a beauty mode, a very specific beauty mode here. Although, like I always say, use beauty mode to enhance your face and not like erase your face. Love the real you. You also have flash, HDR, all the different filters here. On portrait, you have the same thing. As you can see, the background is now blurry and you can adjust that blur. There's also filter and the beauty mode. And more, we've covered that. So yeah, here are some other sample shots. And that was it for a look at the Narzo 20. Hopefully this video was able to give you an idea of how this thing performs in terms of cameras and all-around use. So as to pricing in the Philippines, this retails for 7,990 pesos, and it's going to be a Lazada exclusive starting 11/11. Plus there are going to be discounts if you get them on the same day. I'll put all that info in the description box below. Right, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think about this phone. Stay tuned because I have a bunch of videos on REALME stuff that's like super exciting to me. So I think that's coming out next week. If you want to know how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at isa__ on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Until next time. Oh, by the way, we still have that giveaway ongoing. I'll link it down below.